Hi, Ma'am and Sir. Good morning. I'm Marvic Jimeno, 33 years old, province of Apayao. I have three children, two daughters and one son. My firstborn is 15 years old, the second is 13 years old, and my son is 11 years old. I have experience for working abroad, 2 years in Qatar and 5 years in Jordan. In Qatar, I serve 5 persons, but they are all adult. 65 years old, 60 years old, 32 years old, 25 years old, and 27 years old. My duties are cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, washing dishes, and gardening. In Jordan, I serve 3 persons and it has 6 months old baby, the grandson of my employer, 65 years old, 60 years old, and 23 years old. My duties are cleaning, washing clothes, washing dishes, ironing, and take care the baby. I hope you, ma'am and sir, you hired me. I will do my responsibilities and duties. I am hardworking, honest, and trustworthy. I finish my contract, ma'am and sir, as long as you need me. God bless you, ma'am and sir.